My babe looking like a snack. Oh! All that. All them niggas out there who thinking about it. Not today. Not today. Baby, turn around and see that. Let me see what's happening. Oh, what? That left cheek get to go funny. Right. Oh, and of course you got me here looking like a snack. I'm joking. I'm just regular today. I'm doing this. Looks kind of tropical and thing, isn't me? And I'm wearing these Vans with it. This thing with the leopard prints. I love these shoes. I don't wear them a lot, but yeah. Guys, if you guys watch my Hoes Ibi channel, Judah's back at it again with her DNA. If you scan this shit, man, it's gonna be a horse in here. I think so they have a purse now I give it to man, but grandma said we leave it. So they give it to man not for lock the gate this time.
You said I should leave it.
When you're on a holiday, you can't find the words to say all the things that come to you, and I wanna feel it too. On an island in the sun.
Alright guys, now we're checking into the Hard Rock Cafe. Check in right now. You can hear the rock music. Yeah? Over there. You see me? If you guys can't see the sign up there, somebody even know. But Hard Rock Cafe in Mobe. Mad. So there's so now really quick, I'll go pay for this. We'll pay for the internet sign, you see me? Money people place. But it's a pass through. Shit. So we're there with us, so vibe nice. A beer woman with us, so it's the ladies that got the money. I'm telling you. Huh? The ladies that got the money. Yeah, you see me? So show you guys the vibe. It's not packed over here, which I like. Because I didn't really want to go Dr. Scaife Beach, but yo, here is it already. I like it. Check out the water down there, so kind of restrict off and thing. Beach is beautiful. And you got your little beach area, well, pool area. If you're under 18, you can't go over there, so you understand? Never sure if Judah did under 18 still, but that's the convict her.
Bye.
Guys, a nigga say your man living here all like crab. Yes, sir. I eat. So Judah want to take some photos. No matter of fact, what on that side? Is Hard Rock same way?
No. Birthplace and secrets, right? Yeah.
So which are rich people place? Over here, sir? Are you rich people place? And over there, so then kind of rich.
Them rich.
Richer.
Really rich.
I'm just messing around, guys. I like trying to interact with people, especially the workers and stuff, you know what I mean? And yeah. But over there is breakfast, let me say. Sure enough. So that means that if you don't ever cross this side, somebody gonna knock on the over because they have a bodyguard. See bodyguard? Right, it's in there. Guys, legit Judah try to find a spot to take photos. So I want to see your bottom. Go on. Alright guys, so after a million photos later, millions of beads of sweat later, we got the photos using me for the gram because she's trying to get me to get my Instagram looking more neat and stuff. So I cleaned up a lot of stuff off of my Instagram. But anyway, yeah. It's my manager, you know what I mean? But yeah, we're there still. She about to get lit. Baby always lit though. What you say? How we find you?
You stump with a fuck me.
Tell me how to do that action again. Then you see in the vlog. Come now.
Yeah, you had the headphones.
Yeah.
And the headphones and your boxers. And you're like, step it.
Whatever. So we're there, so now as always, when me go pool or beach, my body never look good yet. But I'm here, ready for jumping in the water real quick and show you guys how beautiful the Jamaican water is. Isn't me how the beaches are beautiful here. And this is not even close to one of the better beaches here. I can guarantee you that, but it's nice. So I'm gonna flick on that waterproof camera really quick and show you how the real thing set. It's in a Jamaican style. Sorry vlogs, remember guys, love nature adaptation. If you guys watching the video and you like rolling with me, big up on yourself. Yeah, I want to big up some people real quick. Michaelia London, I don't remember how to big you up, but big up yourself again. Is me, thanks for always watching the video. And Paul Comedy is in me. He's been watching my videos and stuff, and respect you for that. You thank you for you know, support the videos. I watch your videos them too. There's a few comedy videos. You guys can check out that videos as well, that channel as well, and mad it up. Alright guys, so this has been on my head for a long while, where I don't know if you guys want to do a Q&A. Like, we're kind of more conservative, so I don't even know if you guys want to really ask, you know, questions and whatever. So if you guys have questions to ask, feel free. You can ask me questions, ask Judah questions. I will be happy to answer them. Like right now, the channel is building, it's growing and stuff. We don't have like a lot of people, but if you guys have questions, feel free. Interact with me a little bit on, I don't know, but anyway.
Slide in those DMs, guys.
Sign who for DM? Who for DM? Who are going to sign your DM?
In your DMs to ask the question.
Oh, sorry.
You saw that video?
But yeah guys, that's a good point she made. You can send it to my Snapchat. Don't know, him up on Snapchat, send the questions there, or if you're on my Instagram, send it on Instagram. And yeah, let's make this happen. Don't know, but I'll jump in the water still and get her a little bit wet, you know what I mean?
So she came with me when I went to go buy the stuff?
Look at this beautiful sun. Yup. Right man. Water glistening right here. No, nobody can tell me nothing about Jamaica, man. Sure. So right now, we're about to take this water on. Come on, babe. Take on the water life, yeah. Really quick. Oh shit, cold, yeah, it's cold. Yes. Ooh. Huh? Yeah. Ooh. God damn it.
I just did my hair.
I kinda don't want to root up my hair either. This is the hottest part about social media, because you don't want yourself look too messed up, so. Maybe now I feel like James Bond. Then I come out of the water. Money penny. Money penny chicken? No. You know, I like to fill you guys in. Right here is somewhere around where Montego Bay Freeport is. I mean, you can always Google it, but for enter is $12 US to enter. Probably better to pay in US. $12 US to enter, and then of course under 18 you can't go to the pool, and of course you have to buy food. Right now we're here during the restaurant week period. So what that means is that we can get like a full course meal for what, about 2,800. So it's all about economizing. Spending $12 for a beach, I don't know, but like it's different. Of course, you guys can see it's more secluded, more well arranged. You got music and stuff, so it's a good experience. And you guys know that I kind of want to go as many beaches as I can this year. So, babe, give me another pose. Yeah. Take that tongue out, babe.
What?
Take that tongue out, babe. I'm serious. It's a video. She think I'm taking a photo. Got him.
Said it a million times. I hate to see you crying. I give a million lives to see you smiling. If it were you and I stuck on an island, I think I'd be smiling.
Alright guys, so I'm on some rocks real quick because Judah wants to take some photos like all on the rocks and stuff. Build up our Instagram portfolio and For me as well, even though I'm not a photo person. I'm not the most photogenic, so I don't kill myself on photos, but I don't know. Some people like photos, so that's kind of the pre right now. Yeah. And then I think afterwards we get something to eat. Get some, huh? I thought it was we talking.
Really, Steven? Really?
Yeah, your voice is more squeaky and annoying. Really, Steven? Really? Really?
I don't feel so nice.
So we at the Hard Rock flag. She brave though, because the iPhone 7 Plus, I think, the one with the waterproof. That, you know, the iPhone 7 Plus you have.
Clearly, right?
No. Anyway. Anyway, let's get this photo thing going. So if I'm gonna keep up, guys, I gotta be getting these angles and stuff, and brother, look on the boy I sweat. Look on the boy I sweat.
Man's not hot.
Man's not hot. I'm not gonna lie, the music remix is lit. So we're about to go in here, so don't forget something to eat. You know what I mean? Because I'm really, really, really hungry. So change of plans, guys. Them say we're too sexy to go inside. So I have to order from here, and then they will take it to us wherever we are. So that's a pre right now.
9:10. What time?
So like, see, we got the menus real quick, but I'm gonna wash off. I'm gonna get myself a really quick with a lighter. I'm gonna go hold a really quick wash off because the salt left on my skin. Babe, wanna wash off? Get the salt on my skin. So we got our server here. Hey, so he just recommended banana berry colada. And we're gonna try that because he said it's lit. Alright. Thank you. So you don't know, we always have to interact with the server them, especially if I find good servers in Jamaica, we have to work with them. And he's been nice. So we're getting drinks. Judah pretty much wants to stay here till like 6 o'clock for the restaurant week promotion, so I guess that's what it is, guys. She has to go drive most of the way back. I'm tired. Not tired, but like my eyes get tired, you know what I mean?
Check 1, 2. Alright, so just want to welcome each and every one to the Hard Rock Cafe. It's a beautiful Saturday.
Why she always stick her tongue out? Okay, so you know the indicator. So I gotta do. Doesn't know how to indicate. So I'm trying to help her to indicate. Thanks, bro.
Cooking up with a booze. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got better than 100. That way. I tell Mama, break it up, break it down, back it up,
Baby.
See them twirl, then he drops it, and we keep them on my block. And my say keep it on him, he done drop. And he be wild and he's some hot tones, no.
Bro. Yeah, pretty late, thank you. So we just got the wings real quick. Check it. Oh!
Oh my
say an old
legit
song.
forgot
You
that
just
you
sing
guys
a
are
line
here.
from any song. Yes, any song.
But just to
you
recap,
cannot
you guys,
repeat
like,
what he
now,
said,
like, right
or
now
you
we're just
cannot
chilling.
hesitate. All right, keeping it going. Here we go.
In between sleep or not. But they're doing like a game show type of thing that they do at resorts and stuff.
Uzi Vert on the track, bro. Only girl in the world. Rock that ass, boy, you shake that.
Hold on, is it the same song you're singing lines from? Okay.
Mr. DJ, some pondering. Hold on, we're going on. You take me higher. Mr. Boombastic. Shabba. Pretty girl with a body there with a mother name. Wonder. I know, just some commit. In the name of Jesus. Everybody knows it.
And he got that wrong. Stay.
Alright, so the game that they're playing, guys, is like,
Face the
drop the
audience.
mic. So they put the mic to your
This
mouth.
is going to be
Whatever
the
category they talk
tiebreaker.
about, like,
This
let's
is
say
what
this
we
one-
have been
let's say
waiting
the categories,
for.
countries.
What will
So let's say
happen?
Jamaica, Trinidad, Mexico,
Hold on.
Ethiopia,
I
Africa,
make the rules,
Botswana.
bro.
Like you have to keep, well, not Botswana is a
Okay.
town or whatever, but you have to keep
Now,
saying the
I
countries.
don't know
And if you
what is
hesitate,
about to happen.
then you lose. Babe.
The winner will
Let's play.
be.
So the categories we're
Judged
doing
by
is
the audience.
positions. Back shot.
I don't know what. Here we go. Hey, hey, okay. Hey, you must. Hey, hey, hey. Where's it?
I just see you pagan. Them man they chat rubbish.
Work it. You gotta show them something different. You gotta show them something different.
Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise. You gotta show them something. Tom Cruise. Tom Cruise. Where's that? Here we go. In 10, 9, 8. Show them something different. 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay. If you're voting for Rick, raise your hand. One somebody. The one in the shirt. Rick is wearing the plaid shirt. All right. If you're voting for Rick, raise your hand. If you're voting for Rick, okay. Alright, so let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, Rick, I voted for you, alright? But with no doubt, the winner is. Okay.
Cool on the bed, just watch. If I have the shoes on the bed, must match. Groove, you know what, with your top top. So far, Judah gone. Photo. I'm gonna show you the process this girl goes through, like all the time. This is how I'm gonna get myself involved, you know. It's serious. But I'm gonna try to get you guys a time lapse too. So that's why I'm here, to get you guys a time lapse, so you guys can see what it looks like really. Well, hello there. People, now look here. No sun, no out, you know. But this I wanna put on shades. No sun, no out, you know.
Bougie.
All I